Ring row, pronated grip. Bodyweight rows are an excellent exercise for building upper body pulling strength, increasing grip strength, and building midline tension transferable to other bodyweight movements. The torso angle will dictate the intensity of the ring row. The further forward you walk your feet and the closer the straps are to vertical, the harder the exercise. Always find an angle that allows you to complete the prescribed number of repetitions at the specified tempo with the full range of motion. As strength improves, the aim is to perform ring rows with the straps vertical. The pronated grip ring row is performed by gripping the rings with the palms facing down. You want to maintain the pronated grip for the entire set. Once you have a tight grip, lie back with straight arms and legs. Contract the glutes to extend the hips, contract the quads to keep the legs straight, and brace the abdominals to create tension in the midline. It's much easier to move a solid object than it is to move a bag of sand. Do not be the bag of sand. From the straight arm position, initiate the pulling by depressing and retracting the scapula without bending the elbows. Focus on pulling your shoulder blades back and down towards your back pockets. Once the shoulders are set, flex the elbows and row the body to the top of the movement, with the elbows behind the body, the forearms touching the biceps, and the rings touching the bottom rib. Once at the top, reverse the movement by extending the elbows before allowing the shoulders to protract. Please do not allow the shoulders to shrug up. Keep them pulled back and down away from the ears. Perform the prescribed number of repetitions at the specified tempo. If you begin to fail, walk the feet back to create an easier angle and complete the required number of repetitions.